Video. I had to do this today because on last Christmas I unboxed it. It's Sharper and Imagine Hoverboard. Go to sharperimagine.com. I'll put that in the description. So yeah, because I ordered a black one just like this. So it's a moment of truth. Okay, the moment of truth. Okay, the moment of truth, people. Yes, it's black. This is the one that I ordered. Okay, and so let's take this hoverboard out. I know it doesn't have no manual. I hope it's all recharged. Kind of heavy.
Alright, Jill's over here riding. It's getting pretty fancy. Whoa, what's that carpet?
Okay, it's all recharged. Okay. I think they charged it. This is the goodest hoverboard. Look at that, bro. It's pretty cool. So bye bye. I'll put the link on I think the box and sharperimagine.com/hoverboard. Okay, guys. Okay, so I gotta do a thumbnail. So